So recently we saw the hands-on photos and the videos of the Galaxy S22 Ultra and the S22. You can check out my recent video for that. Now we have full hands-on video of the Tab S8 Ultra, which is the most exciting tablet of the whole Galaxy Tab S8 lineup. The hands-on video seems to be something like official hands-on video taken by somebody else. And I'm telling it looking at the angles and the transitions because it's showing quite a lot of features. But mainly it's showing how massive it is, yet how unimaginably thin it is. It's crazy, 6.3 millimeters. The only problem that you will be able to buy this in only one color, gray/black, whatever that color name is. While the other two tablets will come in two more color options like pink, gold and silver. You can check out my recent video uploaded a few hours back to know more about this Tab S8 series. Now we can also see the magnetic strip at the back to store the S Pen. The video also shows the S Pen in action. And if you don't know, the S Pen will have a record-breaking 2.8 milliseconds latency. That is crazy, which will definitely make the drawing and writing down things smooth and close to real-life pen. Also, it shows the tiny little interruption, the notch, which is housing two cameras, two 12 megapixel cameras, one 80-degree field of view, one with 120-degree field of view, which will allow iPad Pro's center stage-like auto-framing feature to keep the subject in frame while doing video calls. Anyway, at the back you will be seeing the same identical design of the Tab S7 with dual camera setup featuring 13 megapixel wide main camera and a 6 megapixel ultra wide angle camera. We can also see how the Galaxy Foundation/ecosystem works thanks to this part of the video. The color palette on the S22 Ultra working seamlessly with the photo editing app on the Tab S8 Ultra. That is cool. Can you see the massive keyboard cover with the massive trackpad? Oh yeah, that's a massive one. And then typical One UI 4 features, drag and drop and all those stuff. That's about it. Now this is a crazy massive Android tablet with a massive price tag. Anyway, if you want to know everything about the whole Galaxy Tab S8 lineup, every single features and specs, then definitely check out my video on my other channel, link down below, or watch my recent videos on this channel as well. And thank you for listening to me this long. And yeah, my latest Mountain Series 1 Wallpaper Pack is finally here. The pack has 16 different very high resolution, close to 8K stunning wallpapers custom made for modern desktops, tablets, smartphones. So you don't have to crop, rotate or do stuffs like that. You can visit my website joindavid.com to check out, where you're gonna find a lot more tech news way faster than these videos. And definitely do hit the like button and do subscribe this channel as well. Until the next one, bye and take care.